wondered why rebuilding trust is crucial in healthcare? Well, especially for Black women. Well, stick around because today I'm sharing 5 actionable tips to help you navigate this essential journey. But here's the kicker. I've got a bonus tip that you don't want to miss, so stay tuned until the end. Hi, I'm Tomesha, the founder of Enhance Black Women's Health, and it's my mission to equip healthcare providers like you with the knowledge and tools to address the unique challenges Black women face in their pursuit of equitable healthcare. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you in the comments. What challenges have you faced in building trust with Black women in healthcare? Let's start a conversation. And make sure to join my free Substack community. Each week, I empower you with insights to ensure every Black woman receives the care she deserves. The link is in the description below. Now, let's dive into the tips. Tip number 1, acknowledge the harm. It's crucial to recognize that historical atrocities that are committed against Black women have an impact, so acknowledging this harm is the first step toward healing. Tip 2, invest in cultural competence. Understanding Black women's unique experiences, beliefs, and preferences allows for more personalized and effective care. Take the time to listen and to learn. Tip 3, prioritize informed consent. Ensuring your clients, especially Black women, fully understand their treatment options empowers them to make informed decisions about their health. Tip number 4, foster open communication. Effective communication is critical. Create a safe space where Black women feel comfortable to share their concerns, preferences, and experiences. This builds trust and strengthens the provider-client relationship. And tip 5, cultivate community partnerships. Collaborating with community organizations is critical to dismantling barriers to equitable healthcare. Get involved in initiatives that promote health awareness and access. So to recap, we've covered acknowledging historical harm, investing in cultural competence, prioritizing informed consent, fostering open communication, and cultivating community partnerships. Now, are you ready for the bonus tip? Well, here it is. Consistency is key. Building trust is an ongoing process. Consistent, compassionate care builds lasting relationships and fosters trust over time. Thank you so much for watching today. Implement these tips to stay consistent, and you'll contribute to a healthcare environment where every Black woman feels heard, valued, and receives the care she deserves.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos, and together we can enhance Black women's health and create a better future for us all. Enhance Black women's health. Subscribe now.